Don't judge me. Judge your mama.
Just trying to figure
Damn. Welcome. And welcome back to my channel. Vlogtober has been a little stressful for me. If I do say so myself. And I do. Don't look back there, because if you've seen my last vlog, you know that I was supposed to clean that. And I have not yet. Okay? Don't judge me. Judge your mama. Now it's a little dark, but it is what it is. Okay, at this point. Yesterday I struggled to film, edit, not film. Filming part was super easy. I don't need internet for that. Okay? Edit and uploading a video yesterday, for whatever reason, was just not really happening for me in a timely manner, and it had me stressed. I was supposed to do a behind the scenes. You know what? Let's not talk about the past. I'm done. Let's not bring up the past. Today is the future, current times, and we're just moving on. Okay? Yesterday was a struggle. Today, we doing better. Okay? I'm about to make that video from yesterday live now. It's later than I expected, again, due to my internet. It's crazy because we just had this dude, I know, like was it Sunday? Sunday we had the cable guy come and fix our internet, only for it not to be fixed. It's worse than before. Y'all, I'm just sitting at my desk working. That's why I got my headphones in. Working. And my dumb ass realized, like, it's hot as hell up in here. Why is it so hot? You wanna know why? Because I had the heat on. I turned the air off. And then when I was getting warm, I was like, let me turn it back on. I guess I didn't realize I put it on heat. Lord, I'm dying. I'm dying. It's time to consider dinner. Oh, Chinese. Yay! I'm gonna make Chinese food. Yeah, I'm gonna do Chinese food. My husband just texted me. What's for dinner? Chinese. It's Chinese food. Let's see if we have some. Soy sauce. Yep. I haven't had Chinese food in forever. Oh, my battery's dying. Okay, back. We're gonna try this light. So this light right here, I love. The light is fire. But I broke it. I broke it. Anyway, I got a new light. I really like how compact that one is. I don't think they don't have it anymore, so I have to find another one. Okay, it's smaller for sure. It's a little thicker, but it's smaller. Okay. Are we ready? Please be charged. Girl, the light is lighting. Okay. The light is lighting. Is that lower? I'm just trying to feel my way. Damn. Hold on. Oh, warm, mix, cool. Ciao. Now I'm gonna turn this light off because it's blinding me. Lashes are lashing. Okay. This is my first time trying this particular lash. Now I know it's a little bit too natural, I guess. Could they be a little bit more fluffier? Of course. I put them on perfectly because I cannot feel them at all, which is kind of a problem because I forget that I have them on. And you know, you want to rub your eyes, that real hard rub when the eye be itching. You be wanting to do that, but you cannot. Okay? Them lashes will be OFF off. This is still here. Yeah. That. Yep. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that stuff over there. That's all makeup or makeup related things, cleansers, whatever, that I no longer need. They no longer serve me, have not been used. I don't know what to do with them. Tell me what to do. I don't know if you can donate stuff like that. Can you? That rice look good. That rice look good, Asia. That rice look good.
Oh,
Excuse me, four.
Four.
If you could see it from the front, till you see you in the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. You ask me, don't do where you at, huh? But I wanna know how long it take to pull my pants up.
Strawberry peach mixed with summer citrus Ciroc. I know it's not summertime, but it tastes good. So what are we gonna watch? You don't want to watch Dahmer, right?
No.
Oh. Yeah, I want to finish it. I want to finish it. What you say? First of all, I was already singing it.
Really?
Yes, I was singing it first.
Sure you was?
I'm sure.
Because it was just playing on the radio when I got out of the car. I came in singing it. But, hey, man. It's alright.
Where's the playback? Where's the riff? Where's the riff?
I'll throw the red flag for this one.
Oh. Ah. Wait, what was that? My hair looks so crazy. Okay, one more episode of Dahmer, and then we're done. Tomorrow is, I don't know, what day? But I think it's Thursday. I just sleep in for a little bit, which I don't know if I'm gonna actually do because I probably should just get up and edit. FYI, this, I don't know if it's, because this is like a seasonal thing. It definitely says summer. Super good. I've had several different bottles of Ciroc. All delicious. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. We just gave for a bath, and then we're all gonna shower ourselves and go to bed. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.